Founded in February 2005, Shenzhen Junuo Electronics Co. Limited is a comprehensive enterprise integrating R&D, production and sales of set-top box, including DVB T2, ISDB-T, ATSC, DVB S2, Android TV box. We have been enjoying a recognized reputation both at home and abroad due to our careful and thorough research, fine manufacturing process, market-oriented production, and operation based on good faith. Junuo places great emphasis on product quality and has set scientific and quality standards on the links of purchase, development, manufacture, sales, and services. We have also established a talent encouragement mechanism and regularly carry out techniques, skills, and quality improvement training on the staff in purpose of enhancing the comprehensive quality and sense of quality of each staff. We offer one-stop service of ODM and OEM project, SKD, CKD, or completed device orders are welcome. We employ 209 employees, 20% of whom are technical and managerial personnel. With professional R&D team, we design and manufacture hardware, PCBA board, software by ourselves, which can guarantee technique upgrade timely. In the future, we shall follow the enterprise spirit of to take quality as root, talents as basis, and good credit standing as key to the company to cooperate with friends from all circles in a much wider field to win mutual benefit.